हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। 300 क्वेश्चन की जो आपकी सीरीज चल रही है इसे कंटिन्यू करते हैं। एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 101, 10th सेटलमेंट रिपोर्ट ऑफ गढ़वाल डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन बी ए के पाव। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कॉम्बिनेशन इज नॉट करेक्ट? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कॉम्बिनेशन इज नॉट करेक्ट? Option C, Almora, Kanakpal is not correct. Next question, question number 103. Where did the Mughal prince Suleiman Shikoh take shelter out of the following? Very important question. So correct answer, Garhwal. The king of Garhwal, who was killed after being defeated by Gorkhas, was option B, Pradyuman Saha. A battle of Khurbura was fought in the air. Battle of Khurbura was fought in the air, and Khurbura located in Dehradun district. Battle of Khurbura was fought in the air. Option B, 1804 AD. The Treaty of Singoli. The Treaty of Singoli took place in the year. Option D, 1815 AD. Under whom was the district administrations in the British Garhwal? So correct answer option A, district magistrate. Next question, the inscriptions at Raghunath temple, Devprayag, talks about which ruler? Option B, Sahajpal. Sahajpal is correct answer. During the Katyuri administrations, the administrative unit at the Tehsil level was known as option B, Karmant. Next question. Who demanded the separate administrative division for hill area in 1946 AD? Who demanded? Correct answer B, Badridatt Pandey. Badridatt Pandey demanded the separate administrative division for hill area 1946 AD. In the year 1935, which newspaper was published from Kumaon? Option C, Samta. Who participated in Dandi March of Gandhiji from Uttarakhand? Jyotiram Kandpal participated in Dandi March of Gandhiji from Uttarakhand. Select the correctly matched pair out of the following. So correct को यहाँ पर मैच करना है 113. तालेश्वर कॉपर प्लेट, पर्वतकार ब्रह्मपुर किंगडम. Next, option D is correct answer. Which one of the sequence of British Commissioner of Kumaon is correct? Very, very important. E. Gardner, Trail, Lunsington and Batten. Next question. Where was the first sanatorium for tuberculosis open in Kumaon? So correct answer option B, Bhavali. Who was the first woman of Uttarakhand to be impressed during the freedom struggle? Imprisoned during the freedom struggle. Option C, Bishni Devi Shah. And next question, which is oldest canal built by the British administrations in Uttarakhand? Which is oldest canal built by British administrations in Uttarakhand? Upper Ganga Canal is oldest canal built by the British administrations in Uttarakhand. Option D is correct answer. And next question, copper coin related to which dynasty has been discovered at the excavated Yasna Vedic site at Purola. So correct answer question number 118 option D Koninda. Next question number 119. Which dynasty and capital is known by the Taleshwar copper plates? So correct answer option B Paurava dynasty and capital Brahmapur. Next, where was the headquarters of the British Gadwal in 1840? Where was the headquarters of the British Gadwal in 1840? Option A, Pauri. Who was the founder of first Kuli agency in Uttarakhand? Who was the founder of first Kuli agency in Uttarakhand? Option B, Thakur Jot Singh is correct answer. And next question. The fourth session of Kumaon Parishad was presided over by precised presided over by option B Govind Ballabh Pant is correct answer. Next question number 123. When and where was the first session of Kumaon Parishad held? Option A 1917 Almora एंड थर्ड आपका जो हुआ था वो हुआ था बेटा कहाँ पर हल्द्वानी 1918 में एंड थर्ड सेकंड वाला हुआ था हल्द्वानी में फर्स्ट हुआ था अल्मोड़ा में सेकंड हल्द्वानी 1918 में एंड आपका थर्ड हुआ था कोटद्वार में 1919 में In 1815 where was the first postal system established in Uttarakhand? In 1815, where was the first postal system established in Uttarakhand? Option A is correct answer. Almora, Srinagar is correct. Next question. Which ruler of Parmar dynasty started English education for the first time in his regime? So correct answer 125. Option A, Pratap Shah. Next question. Who was worshipped as Kul Devi, goddess of the clan of Katyuri kings? Correct answer option D, Nanda Devi. Next question. The first ruler of Chand dynasty who met the Sultan of Delhi Firoz Shah Tughlaq was Gyan Chand is correct answer option B. Which type of tax was pawn tutti and Tehri Ream 128 option C import export tax. Home rule movement started in Almora in home rule movement started in Almora in option A 1916. Which one of the following is not included in the 52 Gad of Gadwal? Option D Goni Gad. Next Ghoni Gad. Next question number 131. In which year Dehradun district was included in Gadwal Mandal from Meerut Mandal? Very important option C 1968. Who was rewarded with the rank of lieutenant by the British government? Option D, Narendra Saha is correct answer. Which newspaper of Uttarakhand was published from Nainital under the editorship of Jaidat Joshi? Option A, Samay Vinod is correct answer. Chand ruler Baz Bahadur was given the title of Bahadur by option B Shah Jahan is correct answer. And next question, where was the first police station set up in British Gadwal? So correct answer 135 option A is correct answer Srinagar. And next question, the first jail in Kumaon Gadwal region was established in the year Option C 1816. The major responsibility of Pradhan during the British rule in Uttarakhand was 138 137. Option D revenue collection is correct answer. And next question number 138. In which year the Uttarakhand Hill State Council was formed? In which year the Uttarakhand Hill State Council was formed? So correct answer 138, option B 1973. 1973 is correct answer. Next question, which text was light on an auspicious occasions and the marriage ceremony during Gorkha rule? Option C Tika Bet. Next, which of the following ruler was ruling in Kumaon at the time of arrival of Somchand? Option B Brahmdev. Kashipur is named after the name of Kashinath Adhikari. He was an official of which Chand ruler? Option C Baz Bahadur Chand. And which year Dehradun city was taken under the British rule? So correct answer question number 142, option D 1816. In which village of present Chamoli district megalithic burials were discovered in 1956 AD? Option A Malari. Which ruler constructed Khagmara fort situated in eastern part of Almora? Option A Raja Bhishma Chand is correct answer. Next question, which place was known as Kubza Kubra Jamak in ancient time? Kubzamak is correct answer, option C Rishikesh. The Ganga Mata temple at Gangotri was built by, very important question, option C Amar Singh Thapa. Ganga Mata temple at Gangotri was built. What is the historical name of Uttarkashi? What is the historical name of Uttarkashi? Option D Baraha. And next question, who participated in the political conference held in Srinagar Garhwal in May 1938? So correct answer Shridev Shiman, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Srimati Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. All of these is correct answer, option D. Next question number 149. The headquarters of Kumaon Commissaries shifted from Almora to Nainital in option B 1857. In 1871 AD, the Almora Akhbar was published by option D Buddhi Ballabh Pant is correct answer. Next question, the Kumaon Rashtriya Morcha was established by option C P.C. Joshi. In 1812 AD, East India Company bought a land in 152, option A Mussoorie. And the next question, who made the plan to construct railway track between Rishikesh and Karnaprayag? Option D J.M. Clay. In 1843 AD, who established the tea gardens in Pauri and Gadolia? Option A Captain Huddleston. Next question, which of the following sources give information about Garhwal region? All of the above. Kedarkhand of Skan Purana, Van Parv of Mahabharat, and Vayu Puran. All of the above. And the credit of building Shamsahi Bagan, Shamshahi Bagan at Srinagar, Garhwal goes to Shamshah, who established London Missionary Society in Almora in 1850 AD. Very important. Option D. R.E. Woodthrow. Next question. Who gave Katyuri name to the dynasty of Baijnath? Who gave Katyuri name to the dynasty of Baijnath? Option A. Edwin T. Atkinson. Edwin T. Atkinson. The road from Haridwar to Badrinath and Kedarnath was built by option A. G.W. Trail. Next question. Raja Ajaypal of Garhwal shifted his capital from Devalgarh to Srinagar in 1517 AD. Indian Veterinary Research Institute Mukteshwar was established in 1893 by Dr. Alfred Lengard. The king after Ajaypal to invade Tibet was option D. Manshah. And next question. Narsingdev Katyuri shifted his capital from Kartikepur to option B. Baijnath. And next question. In 1990, the third session of Kumaon Parishad was held at option C. Kordwar and first Almora 1917, second 1918 Haldwani and third Kordwar 1919. Chand ruler who ruled for the longest period was option B. Janachand. Next question. Who was not a member of Prajamandal in Tihri state? Option A. Chiranji Lal was not a member of Paraja Mandal in Tihri state. First freedom fighter of the state was option A. Kalu Mehra. On which date did Nagendra Shaklani get martyred? Very important. Option C. 11 January 1948. When was श्रीदेव सुमन मार्टियर? शहीद कब हुए थे? ऑप्शन डी 25 जुलाई 1944 को शहीद हो गए थे. नेम द कमिश्नर हु फाउंड मोल आर्मी टू गेट द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ कुली बेगार कस्टम्स. So correct answer option B. Trail. Who among the following established the Lakshmi Ashram in Koshani? Very, very important. Option D. Sharla Ben. Next question number 172. Which is the most ancient race of Uttarakhand? So correct answer D. Kol. And the next question. Which ruler of Tihri reconstructed the Vishwanath temple located at Uttarkashi? So correct answer option A. Sudarshan Saha. Next, Garhwal Regiment headquarters is located at Lansdowne Pori. In India after independence, Hyderabad Regiment was changed to Kumaon Regiment. Option C. What was the original name of Sarla Behan? What was the original name of Sarla Behan? Catherine Halliman is correct answer. Option B. Kalidas composed Abhigyan Sankuntalam in which ashram located in Pauri? Option B. Karna ashram is correct answer. And the next question. Among the following, who is not a historian of Uttarakhand? Among the following, who is not a historian of Uttarakhand? Option C. Shiv Prasad Dabral is correct answer. Next question. Shridev Shuman died after a hunger strike of how many days? Option C. 84 days. The Karna ashram located in Pauri, where Kalidas composed Abhigyan Sankuntalam, is on the bank of which river? Option D. Malini river. And next question number 81. Dhandak movement was organized in which princely state? Dhandak movement was organized in which princely state? Option C. Tehri. Garhwal and Kumaon have been referred to as Kedar Khand and Manas Khand in option C. Iskan Puran. And next question, question number 183. Chanakya of Kumaon is Pandit Harshdev Joshi is correct answer. Mahatma Gandhi praising which movement named it Bardoli's revolution? So correct answer option A. Kuli Begar. Bardoli's revolution, Bardolis of Kumaon, Kuli Begar. Next question. Rampur Tiraha incident took place on, very important, Rampur Tiraha incident took place on option C. 2nd October 1994. Next question. Which unit of Garhwal rifle under the leadership of Chandra Singh Gadwali refused to fire at the unarmed Afghan soldiers? So 186 is correct answer बच्चे option D 2/18. Next question. The one panchayat in Uttarakhand were formed for the first time in option C 1931 AD. Next question. Earliest reference of Uttarakhand is found in option C Rigveda. Lakhu Udiyar is situated in Dehradun, Kalsi, Lakha Mandal or Almora. So correct answer Almora. Lakha Mandal, Lakhu Udiyar is situated in Almora and Lakha Mandal is situated in Dehradun. Gandhiji first visited Kumaon in the year, very important, option B 1929. Movement for the demand of Prajamandal took place during whose reign? किसके शासनकाल में प्रजामंडल की जो डिमांड है वो आपका ये मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हुआ था? 91 का आपको ध्यान रखना है ऑप्शन बी नरेंद्र साहा इज करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन बी. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 192. हु रेन इज नोन गोल्डन टाइम ए या फिर गोल्डन एज ऑफ कुमाऊं? 192 ऑप्शन ए जगत चंद. कोटा खर्रा आंदोलन is related to Kota Kharra Andolan is related to landless people option B. Next question. Khatima Golikand took place on Khatima Golikand very important and took place on option D 1st September 1994. And the next question. Among the Satyagrahis of Gandhiji 1930 were among the Satyagrahi of Gandhiji 1930 were option D both B and C, Jyotiram Kandpal and Bhairav Dutt Joshi. So correct answer B and C, option D. गांधी जी सत्य in Anashakti Ashram in 1929 for how many days? Sorry, stay. Gandhi ji stay in अनाशक्ति आश्रम इन 1929 फॉर हाउ मैनी डेज, कितने दिन के लिए वो इन्होंने यहाँ पर स्टे किया था, रुके थे, ये आपको बताना है. सो करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन सी 14 डेज. लक्ष्मी आश्रम एट कोशानी वॉज एस्टेब्लाइज्ड. Lakshmi Ashram at Koshani was established by option D, Sarla Behan. Next question. In which year the Garhwal division was established? In which year the Garhwal division was established? 198, option B 1969 is correct answer. And next question, in which year was debating club established in Almora? Debating club कहाँ पर establish किया गया? अल्मोड़ा में. और कब किया गया है? 1817 में, 1817. And Garhwali was published from Dehradun in 1905 under the editorship of Girija Dutt Nathani. Garhwali was published from Dehradun in 1905 under the editorship of Girija Dutt Nathani is correct answer. So guys 300 questions आपके जो हैं उसका आपका 200 questions आपने कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं आज की इस वीडियो में. सो वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करेंगे. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिएगा.